Hello guys, my name is Matthias Renatus from Smart Visuals. Thank you guys for the previous tutorials. You just subscribed, you liked, most of you. I appreciate that. And this is the first tutorial on web design and development, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the navigation menu on the site we were creating previously. So the site was this, as we ended up here. So today we are going to create the navigation menu, which will be positioned in between this div here you see and this logo. So our navigation menu will be just below our logo. The navigation menu will help us to navigate through our entire project. So it will contain the links which connect the web pages. Okay. Our navigation menu will contain the link for the home page, which is this you are seeing here, and will contain the navigation to the about page, which will be explaining about this site you are looking here, and will contain the two buttons for those who wanna join these Shekinah catering services. The button will be for login, and the other button will be for those who want to register. So without losing much time, let's go into coding. Open our Sublime Text 3, and we ended here. So this image tag you see here is the image tag which hold our logo there. So just below this logo we are going to put the navigation menu, and to separate between the image logo and the navigation menu we are going to use the break tag. So just under the break tag here we are going to start typing our navigation menu. So we are going to start with the nav tags, which will hold the class of navbar, inverse. You can use the default one. It is just as you like. So inside the nav tags we are going to put a div, and this div will hold the class of container fluid, class container fluid, and inside this container fluid we are going to put an unordered list, which will hold the class of nav class, the class of navbar, then nav. Okay. Also inside the unordered list we are going to put the list items, which will hold the class of, for this home page we are going to put it active, so the class will be active so as to highlight the current page we are. And inside the list we are going to put the navigation link, href hyperreference, and put the path or the name of our page, which is homepage, which is homepage.html. After homepage.html, just close the link tag, and in between put the name of the navigation button, which is home. Okay, just copy the list item and paste it 3 times, which the first one will be for the home page. The second one will be for the about us, and here put about us. Even though we have not yet created the about page.html, we just put the it, and we will proceed it on the next tutorial. So the third navigation button will be for the services. Put here our services, our services, and you can put there services.html. Also you can add another more link, control copy for more information. You can put a form for the customers to put their messages, to put their opinions, to put their kind of stuff like that. So here we can put contact us, and we can call it contact.html. So from here to here we have our navigation menu. So we are going to put another unordered list which will hold the buttons for login and registration for the members who will join the services at Shekinah. So this will contain the class of navbar, and navbar right. This tag or this class is responsible to float these two buttons to the right of this navigation menu, navbar right. Then in between you are going to put the list items, which will hold the class of put it the class and leave it blank. So here in between we are going to put the navigation link, a hyperreference. Then we are going to put the location, which will be login.html. even though we have not yet created, we are just putting it will help us. Then close the link tag, and we are going to span the special icons from the Bootstrap. So put span tags there. After span, give it a class of Grificon, -user. Then after the span, put the name of the navigation button, which is login. Thereafter we are going to copy this list item, Control C to copy. Then at the end of that list, Control V to paste. Then here it will be for registration. Registration.html. Then as usual span the class Glyphicon, and we are going to use user, I mixed D here, login. We are going to use login, log-in, and here we are going to use this same class user. Here we are going to click to write register. register. Okay guys, I think we are good to go. Then go to file, save your project, go to your browser and reload your page. As you can see, there we have our navigation menu, and it is pretty cool. As you can see, the navigation menus are there: home, about us, our services, contact us, login for the new users, login for the registered user, and register for the new users. Also, you can use here we have used Inverse, navbar, Inverse. You can use navbar default, you can use such kind of stuffs. So save your project, go to your browser and reload your browser. There we have our navigation menu, but they are all highlighted because we forgot to remove this active link. The active class should only be on the current page we are on. There we go. Control save, then go to your web page and reload your web page. As you can see, we have our navigation menu. There we are good to go. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment below, leave your opinions, and we shall meet on the next tutorial. See you guys. Thank you.